Brian with Grand Roofing, bringing you a quick tip on how to install the ladder jacks. I did it already, but I'm going to show you the basics really quickly so you're not taking up a lot of time on this video. Where the jacks go, you want to find where a truss is or a slat, if it's slats from an older style of roof. One by is just going to be hard to find. Basically, you can tap, find the density and find where the trusses are, or you can try to drive nails and find it. If you can find one, you can measure over typically 16 to 24 inch on centers and find the other one, or repeat the process. You don't nail it through your roof. You want to split a shingle. I really encourage you to find a drip groove near where you're going to install it, split the seal strip and work your area over. Like say if you had a drip groove right here, go up or down a shingle. You don't want to do this near a drip groove, a keyway, a butt joint, because you'll put a hole in the shingle under it. So make sure about 5 inches out over. Same on this one. You want to be about 5 inches over past it. What you'll do at that point is drive your 16s in, or a screw might be better, but be cautious. Disclaimer, do this at your own risk, use the safety equipment. Disclaimer on the type of screw or nail. I know a 16 is going to be strong and sturdy and bendable to an extent, but not shear. Screws, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be strong, but it's gonna have a shear strength. If you were to hit it hard, you risk snapping that head right off. So just be aware, make sure they're in something solid and secure. Then you'll take your 2x6 board, drop it. Kind of hard to do with one hand. You'll set it on there, you'll rotate it down under these hooks right here, and then so this doesn't plop out, flop out, move, make you fall. There's a hole here. Let me put the GoPro on. You'll just put a nail in this into the wood, and you'll have an area to pull on the head to get the screw or nail, whatever you want to use, out. You can use whatever. I have a 16 with me, so I'm just going to show you the 16. Same concept with a small hand nail. You get it in there, get it driven in. There are some of these that actually are deeper for a bigger board. You want to make sure your board doesn't rock around, so pull it to the brace lip, the front, bend that down. That'll keep it from shoving back. It'll keep it from sliding out. You also want to make sure if you have any board coming out that is not secured out here, do not stand out here, or it's going to lift up on that end out there and you could flip right off the roof. So I'm going to stay within your braces. If you go a larger span, simply add a third or a fourth or whatever, or repeat the process with another set down further. You can also stair step this up, working your way up. What I want to drive home here is it's you, it's your life. Make sure you research safety, do what you know is safe and feel safe. Don't listen to somebody else. Don't even listen to me. I don't know what I'm doing here, right? Just some tips and some pointers. Take your own safety and life into your hands. I really encourage you to study up on it, be safe. And until next time, be safe. We'll see you then.